Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and we are back finally with the tutorial to the impossible prediction 2.0. Alright, so for this trick you're gonna need a normal deck of playing cards in new deck order. Alright, so make sure if you're using a new deck, then that's great, it will already be set in new deck order. Otherwise you'll need to set a deck in new deck order. Now usually the bicycle decks come with two jokers, alright. So you're gonna remove one joker and keep the other one inside the center of the deck. You need every card for this, so no card should be missing, alright. So the spades are here, hearts are here, clubs are here, and the diamonds. This joker will sit in the middle, alright. So before I start this trick, I learned this from Daniel Pattison, okay, so be sure to check out his channel, okay, so and subscribe to him as well, and please subscribe to my channel as well if you want me to upload more content like this. You can also like and comment if you want. Alright, so anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so you'll go through the deck. For the first presentation you're gonna have this one joker to the side for now, alright, you don't need it, alright. You're gonna show that you have a normal deck of playing cards. You don't show them that it is in new deck order, okay, you don't show them that, alright. You just tell them that you have a deck of playing cards. You go through the decks to yourself, alright, but actually I'm showing this to you for tutorial sake. You're gonna take this joker and it's going to be a prediction, alright. You can also use a duplicate if you like, but the joker seems more, normal, okay, the use of only one deck of playing cards, alright. So place this joker inside the box, alright, and keep it out jog so they can see, alright. So now they'll think that you have put one card to the box, and now just tell them to name any card, okay. Now in this case, alright, where is the two of hearts? Ace. You will usually have a deck in perfect new deck order, alright. So you're gonna need a prediction too, alright. So in this case I'll use the 6 of clubs as my named card, alright. Place it on top, alright. Remove the card from its place and place it on top. So on top you'll have the 6 of clubs, alright. So when I name the card, when you name the card, like the magician names the card, the 6 of clubs, I'll choose the 6 of clubs which is already on top, and now they'll name some card, okay. My card is the 6 of clubs because I have placed it on top, alright. And then your card, should it be anything, right? Let's say the 4 of hearts, let's say the 5 of hearts, okay. And you're gonna just riffle through the deck, and just because it's in new deck order, it's pretty easy. Like the spades are near somewhere at the bottom, the hearts are somewhere near the bottom and the middle, the clubs are somewhere near the middle and the top, and the diamonds are on top, okay. So when they say 5 hearts, immediately within seconds you can find out where the card is. Let it be any card, okay. So the 6 of clubs is my card. When they say the ace of clubs, instantly, already instantly. So you just refer down the cards, boom, boom, the king of hearts, alright. So in this case they chose the 5 of clubs. Oh, that's the 6 of clubs. I can't see from here, but you're gonna refer, you're not like in the camera you probably caught all of that, but in the real world, like when you're performing this live to another person, alright, they will never know because you keep talking to them, keep distracted. The camera is literally pointing at one thing, alright, hence you could see me refill down right here. But when you perform this live in front of somebody and not in a video, they will never notice the difference because you will keep talking to them, they're distracted, they're paying attention to you, not the deck of playing cards, simply because you have not even started the trick already. You have just named your card the 6 of clubs, they've named their card the 5 of hearts. So you distract them and tell them now what is going to happen, alright. So you simply distract to them, alright, and tell them, alright, that now what is going to happen is just pay attention, alright. So they are going to pay attention. Until then you've already found their 5. Oh, this is not the 5. Till then you've already found their 5 of hearts. Now what is going to happen is just you need to pay attention to the deck, alright? And now you have found the 5 hearts instantly. So you use that kind of distraction. Now you need to do a move where you want your prediction to be in place of the 5 and you need the 5 on the bottom. So what you do, you just grab the top card, place it like you will have a pinky break, right? Once you lift at the pinky break, the 5 will be right here. So you lift at the pinky break, you drag the top card over here, lower the deck and put the 5 on bottom and place this bracket back on top. So you should be having 5 on the bottom, everything else in new deck order, but except in place of the 5 we'll have the 6 of clubs. Let's go through that again. Alright, their selection is the 5 of hearts. Alright, cut at the pinky break, boom, 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 and again you do this while talking. Now I know I have said that you need to pay attention to the deck, but alright, keep springing the cards, keep dribbling the cards, make it seem like you don't care much about the cards, just seem like you're playing around with the cards. Alright, make it seem like you keep dribbling. Alright, keep dribbling, keep springing. Alright, if you don't know how to spring, then I don't know, keep dribbling or something like that. Do some false cuts. Alright, I think that was a false cut. I really hope that was a false cut. Alright, okay, it was a false cut. Alright, so make it seem like you don't care about the playing cards, and then you bring the attention to the box. There's a 1 card over there. Now before you reveal that card, pay attention to the box, and now you do this move. Alright, in real time it would look something like that. Alright, so let's go through that again. Alright, so you'll think that the spectators will take notice of this. Alright, but no, they wouldn't. Now I need you to pay attention to the box. Okay, in real time that is what it will look like. Alright, now they've seen you dribble the cards, some cards. Alright, some springing the cards. They're not going to pay attention to whatever you do right now. But this is very important. Alright, as because cut to the 5, you refer down the top card, which is your prediction. You put the 5 on the bottom and then you put the bracket on top again. Alright, so everything in real time would look like this. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I need you to pay attention to the deck. Okay, now remember that I had 1 card inside the box the entire time. Now before I reveal that, okay, now I just said that, and the 5 is already on bottom and the 6 of clubs is already in position. Alright, so let's do that one more time, but in slow motion. So what you do is get a break. Now what I'm gonna do is pay attention to the deck. Now you know that I have a card inside the box, so the card is not going anywhere. You can even look at the box for some sake. Alright, boom, 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 it's done. 6 is in position and the 5 is on bottom. Now what you do is, before I reveal the card on the box, I need you to take a look at the deck. Alright, so now you have obviously gambler's cop to that card. Now this move is extremely necessary for this trick. Alright, you grab a pinky break on the bottom card, do a gambler's cop. Alright, now in the case that the camera is pointing directly at my hands, this angle is the worst. Alright, so I cannot figure out I think this is the best. Looks pretty relaxed as well, but you can still see the card. Okay, so the best case is I'll lap it for now. Alright, or you can use the table as your cover. Alright, so the gambler's I have kept it perpendicular to the deck, and I have just, instead of keeping like on a 45-degree angle, I've kept it like this, the palm, and I just went enough downward so that you won't notice the card. Alright, so the hand looks empty, alright. When showed like this, alright, it looks empty, everything looks empty. Alright, so now they're gonna take the deck and ask them to spread, okay. Now you don't want any attention to this hand, so ask them to spread the deck, alright. Now if they don't know how to spread the deck, you're gonna have to do it yourself only. Spread the deck, show that the only card that is missing from the deck is your 6. You can even keep it in Tenkai Palm. This is the Gambler's Cup, this is the Tenkai Palm. It's easy to switch, alright, just keep your thumb. You can even switch to Tenkai Palm if you want, alright. It looks like your hand is even more empty, alright. And then you can just switch to Gambler's Cup, alright. Anytime, alright. So it looks like your hand is completely empty, even though it's not, alright. And then you say that the only card that is missing, I'm way ahead the table, okay. I'm using the table as a cover. That your card is not there, and in fact the only card that is there is my 6 of clubs. Now you take the box maintaining the Gambler's Cup, alright, not the Tenkai but the Gambler's Cup, place it on top and take the Gambler's Cup with it, alright. So you should have this card out jogged, but the 5 perfectly aligned on the bottom. Now you're gonna push this card in accidentally, alright, and then you're gonna pull both cards out together, alright. And so how to do that is tell them to focus on this card, okay. Now you can't see this card, obviously. You tell them to focus. Keep your thumb on the top card and middle finger or index finger on the bottom card, whichever you want. I think a middle finger is more cleaner as it shows, alright. And then you cleanly drag both cards out, okay. It looks like the card is coming from inside the box, alright. Now you can flash at this moment, but I think the best way is to cover the side area, alright. And now you can pull it easily out and you can't risk flashing anything. Or I just flashed again, dude. Okay, so what I just did is watch. You want this to be as far as you want. You're gonna use all of your hands, okay, all of your hands. Instead of just one finger, you can use all of your hands if you want, and pull this card just a little bit to the side, but they can't see because your palm is shielding everything, alright. And you can cleanly remove this, alright. Now they can't see anything. You're just gonna align it, alright, and you can show that it is the 5. Now in this moment, what you can do is once more Gambler's Cup that card, hand it out for examination, alright. Keep this card inside your pocket or something like that. It's up to you, alright. So it's up to you. You can keep this card in your pocket. You can get rid of it in any way you want, alright. So I just lapped it, alright. You can lap it, you can ditch it, alright. You can put it inside your pocket, anything you want to get rid of this card, alright. But in any case, that was it for this trick, alright. I really hope you like it, alright. So see you guys next time, alright. Peace out.